Welcome again to one more knowledgeable lecture, my dear students. Today we are here to discuss something about organization which are located globally, in which many countries are joined together for some common motive. In our previous discussions, we have learned something about UNO, United Nations Organization. UNO, yani Sanyukt Rashtra Sangh, in itself, it is one of the biggest organization of the world in which the maximum countries are part of it. Today, in our context of GK, we will discuss international organization and groups that are being given on page number 314 and 315 of your textbook. Okay, myself Himanshu Vats, your JK teacher. I will be facilitating you about this international organization. I will be briefing you about their location of headquarters, in which year did they established, and how many member country nations they are having. Okay, so let's start. The first one is Red Cross. Of course, we are all aware about it. Red Cross एक ऐसी संस्था है जो कहीं पर भी अगर there is a loss of human life, or there's a type of any people gets injured in any calamity, yeah, any spread of disease is there, then Red Cross reaches on that spot with its staff, it has a nursing capability. Okay, it was established in year 1863 in Geneva. It is having its headquarter in the country Switzerland. 192 countries are the member nations of Red Cross. It is serving a very noble cause. जब भी कहीं ऐसी इमरजेंसी होती है जहां पर लगता है कि there is a danger to human life, medicines are being needed, special care, nursing is to be needed, disease is spreading out, at that place Red Cross reaches with its full fledged power and resources. Okay. The second committee, International Olympic Committee. Olympic, as you know, it's related to the games. It is one of the biggest athletics event that is being held in the world. IOC, International Olympic Committee, it was established in 1894. Its headquarters are in Switzerland, and 95 nations are the member of IOC. Okay. Next one, International Criminal Police Organization. The abbreviation stands Interpol. This organization deals with the sharing of information of the wanted criminals that are declared by the different nation as their international criminal or international wanted or international terrorists. Okay, means if suppose a criminal does a crime in a country and he gets eloped to a different country, then Interpol tries to fetch them out. They share the information regarding that criminal. The headquarter of Interpol is located at Lyon in France. 194 countries are the member nations of Interpol. Next organization is ISO, means International Organization for Standardization. ISO is type of a mark, is a type of a standard which is being given to the products. Nowadays this ISO mark is even provided to the institution. जो रेप्यूटेड इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं, स्कूल्स हैं, कॉलेजेस हैं, उनको भी आईएसओ मार्क दिया जाता है. स्पेशली दिस मार्क इज मेड फॉर द प्रोडक्ट्स, जो मार्केट में चीजें सेल होती हैं. इनिशियली उसके लिए लॉन्च किया गया था, बट नाउ डेज any organization, any institution which is reaching to a quality benchmark, they are getting this ISO. It was being established in 1943. Again, it also has its headquarters at Switzerland. 163 nations are the member of this ISO community. Okay. Then comes NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. It was established in 1949, headquartered at Brussels. 29 member nations are there currently in NATO. They are doing combinedly many exercises, many joint military exercises, security exercises, and other defense tasks. Next one is OPEC. OPEC is an organization of oil producing countries. In fact, oil exporting countries. It stands for Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. जो countries ऑयल प्रोड्यूस करती हैं और दूसरी कंट्रीज में एक्सपोर्ट करती हैं, दे आर द मेंबर नेशंस ऑफ ओपेक. इट वाज एस्टेब्लिश्ड इन 1959, हेडक्वार्टर्ड एट वियना, कंट्री ऑस्ट्रिया. 13 member nations are the part of OPEC. Okay. Next is World Wide Fund for Nature, WWF. This society, it's an NGO. NGO means non-governmental organization. Yeah, you can say non-profitable organization also. They works for the welfare of animals. Okay. It was established in 1961. They also have a headquarter at Switzerland. Okay. And since it's an NGO, so almost all the countries of the world are the member nations of WWF. They are looking after many endangered species. Any inhuman treatment to the animal is done, then they take care, they provide suitable measures. Okay. So these are the things that is being done by WWF. Next, non-aligned movement, that is NAM, established in 1961. 120 member nations are there. Next one is Asian Development Bank. Students, you might have heard many a times about World Development Bank. We have heard this nomenclature many a times. Okay, World Development Bank, it has a role in providing financial aid to the countries across the globe. Okay, same way Asian Development Bank provides फाइनेंशियल हेल्प, वो एशिया में जो कंट्रीज हैं उनको फाइनेंशियली हेल्प करते हैं, मदद करते हैं पैसे से. ओके. It was established in 1966. Headquarters are at Manila. 68 countries are the member nation of Asian Development Bank. Then the last one on this page, last but not the least, we have still some more short forms to be discussed in this same video. On this page, the last one is Asian of Southeast Asian Nations. This was established in 1967. Jakarta is the place where headquarters are located, and it is having 10 member countries. Means it is again one of the association of Asia. It is comprising of Southeast Asian countries. So we still have more full forms to discuss. So please keep watching the video so that we can go for the next one. Okay, students, let's discuss the remaining organization. The next one is Organization of Arab Petroleum Exporting Countries, that is OAPEC. It was being established in 1968, headquartered at Safat, Kuwait, and it is having 11 member nation countries. The number of member countries so low because there are not many countries in this region who are exporting oil. These are less in number. Fine. Then next corporation is Organization of Islamic Cooperation, that is OIC. It was being established in 1969 in Saudi Arabia. Member nations are 57 to promote the Islamic religion. Okay. Next organization is Gulf Cooperation Council. It's named as GCC. It was being established in 1981, having 6 countries in number. Gulf countries we also say sometimes as Middle East countries as well. Those countries which are producing oil in surplus. Next one is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, that is SAARC. It is an important organization and it has a good say of our country India. Our country India has an active participation in this organization SAARC. It was being established in 1985, headquartered at Kathmandu. 8 nations are the member nations of this committee. The next one is Group 15, G15. It is having 15 nations as the name suggests, and it was being established in 1989. Last one on this page is APEC, Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation. These countries are 21 in number that are the member of APEC, established in 1989, and Singapore is the headquartered place of this organization. We have still near about 6 to 8 organizations to be discussed. We will be discussing this in the same video soon in the next page. So please keep watching. Okay, students, now we are almost on the final winding up page of this video. These are some last full form which are left to be discussed. Commonwealth of Independent States, that is CIS. Commonwealth, as we know, these are the countries which were In their past time, they were the under the rule of British company. Okay, British, they were under the Britishers rule, maybe under the East India Company or directly under the Crown of England, Queen. So it was being established in 1991. The headquarters are at Kriva, Belarus. Next one is European Union. The name is quite simple. These countries are under the head of European Union, established in 1993. Their headquarters are at Brussels, Belgium. 28 countries are the member nations of this foundation. Now next one is Group 20, G20. Pretty simple name. It was established in 1999. 20 countries are the member nations. The next one is African Union. Countries belonging to the continent of Africa. It is pretty new organization, established in 2002, having 55 countries as their member nations. Now the last one, and it holds a different importance. It is also one of the, you know, newly made organization. It was established in year 2006. Only 5 countries are the member. Name is BRICS, and each letter of this organization denotes a name of a country. B for Brazil, R for Russia, I for India, C for China, and S for South Africa. So BRICS is an organization of 5 countries. So that's it, my dear students, to be covered in this pages 314 and 15. We'll meet again with more informative video, more information to share. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Jai Hind.